Hi everyone, Peter from Childwall Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making these little creatures on pegs to make them look like they're opening their mouth, and there's little sharks and whales as well. So you're going to need the pegs, this sheet with the drawings on, something to colour in with, and then something to stick down with. I'm using a hot glue gun, but you can just use normal glue. You can use whatever you want, as long as it sticks it down. So what you're first going to do is you're going to colour them in whatever colour you want, and then cut them out. I've cheated and already done a couple. So here you go. So I've done these ones. So I've coloured them in and then I've cut them out. Done that one all funky. Your next step is you're going to need some scissors. And you have to be very careful because scissors are sharp. You're going to cut out the mouth on the one that you want to stick in and do. And then just go from there. So the mouth's separate, see? And then you're going to get your peg. And you're going to start by sticking on the bigger piece. I'm just going to stick it on there. Then you've got your bottom bit, and you're going to stick that on there like that. So same again, bit of glue. And then stick it down. And presto, there you go, all done.